Hey, I am super excited to be with you, and I want to welcome you to the first edition of the Taiwo Impact Podcast in the year 2022. Yes, like I promised that I will be sharing with you the three areas that you should invest in. And in December, I shared the two areas that you should be looking at. The first one was invest in yourself. And I told you that, yes, the best investment that you can ever make is the one you invest in yourself. So please make sure you invest in yourself as you step into this year. Do not joke with investing in yourself. One of the areas that you should invest in as you invest in yourself is to invest in learning new skills. This is a bonus. And one of the skills that you should learn is how to invest in the cryptocurrency market. I mean, cryptocurrency market or forex market. Who says you can't trade crypto? Who says you can't trade forex? Who says you cannot trade stocks, both Nigerian stock and the New York Stock Exchange? You can trade it from the comfort of your home. And the number two area that I shared in the previous episode was invest in a business. I told you that statistics has shown that a lot of people registered businesses in Nigeria in 2021. And looking at that report, I'd like you to know that a lot of people have issues. A lot of people have challenges. And a lot of people want solution providers. They want problem solvers. So you can invest in a business by starting one to be a solution to other businesses. Or you can invest in an existing business. There are a lot of startup business that needs investors, that need partnership, that need collaboration. Yes, you can invest in some of these businesses and you will get your cut at the end of the year. And the third area that I'd like to share with you in today's episode of Taiwo Impact Podcast is real estate. Yes, are you surprised? Real estate. The only business that is real is real estate. Yeah, it's real estate. So many people used to think that real estate is capital intensive. Yes, it is. But do you know that there are ways to start real estate investment with little or no capital? Oh my goodness. I will be sharing in subsequent episodes of my podcast areas that you can invest and how you can start a real estate business or investment with little or no capital. So I want you to please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and activate the notification bell button so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos. So I have a lot to share with you this year, and very soon we are launching our website for this podcast, and I would want you to stay tuned whenever we upload new episode of our podcast. So till I come your way next time, I am Taiwo Balogun and I say God bless you. Amen.